season 10, where we are cooking with the seasons. Yes.
Yes.
And we're gonna make a recipe today that could be really good for summer or fall. We would have it any time.
Yeah.
But summer and fall are when mangoes are supposed to be in season. So
Yep.
I don't know if that's true because I don't grow mangoes, and they have them in the frozen department at Trader Joe's all
the
year
time.
round. Yeah.
So we're making a Mango Ginger Kombucha Mimosa, and this one is non-alcoholic. You could add some sparkling wine to it if you'd like to make it alcoholic. We're gonna do some of it. It's a little more involved than maybe it seems. We're gonna be using the stove and doing some actual cooking.
Yes, actual cooking.
So we're gonna get right into it. So for this recipe, we're gonna need 1 cup of chopped mango, either fresh or frozen that's been thawed, a 1/2 inch piece of fresh ginger, 2 tablespoons of filtered water, a 1/2 teaspoon of pure maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice, 3 cups of ginger flavored kombucha that's been chilled, and 8 lime wedges for serving. All right, so now that you know what's in it, we're gonna start with our mango. Now, we didn't get the memo to thaw the frozen mango, which it does say to
But
do.
I don't
so
think it's that
we're
big
gonna,
of a
I know,
deal.
so we're just gonna go for it. And so in a medium saucepan, we're gonna combine the mango,
We need a cup of mango, and we need an inch.
an inch of ginger. So I'm just gonna
No, 1/2 an inch.
1/2 inch of ginger. So we got this monster ginger. So I'm just gonna,
You gotta peel it.
yeah, I'm just gonna pull off this little nub.
That's a lot.
Yeah, but that was the easiest thing to pull.
All right. Well, why don't you peel it, and then it'll get. Probably by then it'll
Yeah,
be
so I'm gonna peel it, and we're gonna put this all in the saucepan over medium heat with some water.
How much water do you put in?
2 tablespoons of water.
Oh, okay. You want to
So
measure
mango,
out?
ginger, 2 tablespoons of water. I'm gonna put this water in here. Okay, so 2 tablespoons of water. Very precise.
Well, I'm doing the
measuring.
good part of the chopping.
Yeah.
And this
then
is chopped,
Okay.
not minced, not diced, chopped.
chopped.
We,
Yeah.
need, we need a cup. Do you want to pull that cup out? Where's the cup? It's over there.
Okay, and then I'm gonna get a little knife here, and I'm gonna peel this
Here's
ginger.
why don't you use the
Don't
peeler?
Stab me. Yeah, maybe.
Oh, a secret drawer. What is
Secret
that?
drawer.
Secret drawer. It's kind of crazy. We were at this VRBO, which is adorable, but they have these IKEA drawers, and for the first hour that I was here, I was like, there is not one utensil in this house. Called the landlord. He's like, did you read the instructions that I left for you on the counter? No, I did not.
Yeah, no.
Okay, you already put the water in there?
Yep.
Okay, so it's a cup of mango, and then...
They don't do anything with, oh, does it say the maple syrup yet? I think it's just simmering the.
Yeah, it says, yep. And it's, how much? 1/2 teaspoon? Is that 1/2 teaspoon?
Yep.
Doesn't look like 1/2 teaspoon. Looks like 1/4 teaspoon. That's hardly any.
Let's just see.
Okay,
Because
we'll just see.
the kombucha, mango kombucha is already going to have some sweetener. Okay, you go ahead, mincer.
Mince
Oh, no,
it?
no.
No, we were
But
going to do
so
that.
it says to
mince it.
mince
But
it.
neither one of us is good mincers.
No, so we're going to use this grater to do it instead. And I'm just going to again guesstimate on the 1/2 an inch situation.
By the time you get it in there, it's probably going to be, because you're going to lose a lot in
Yeah.
the thing. Do you need help with that?
What do I need help with? Did you learn this in your application to culinary school?
I did. Okay, so we're going to need more than 1 lime because we need 8 lime wedges for serving, and we need how much lime juice? Of 1 tablespoon. Oh, maybe this will be enough. So you know what I'm going to do?
What?
Like you were just guessing about how much lime stuff to put in. I'm going to squeeze it into.
No, you can squeeze it right into the measuring spoon, just easily. You're making double work for yourself.
It's so hard. it's so hard to pour it from one measuring cup. It's so hard.
You could have done that right into the spoon.
I know, it's so hard to do. Watch this.
Okay, so 1 tablespoon.
This is magic.
Whoa.
Okay. And then, look, there's leftover juice left in there.
Leftover juice. Oh my gosh.
All
No,
right.
there's not.
Okay, so now you put the maple syrup in here already? Or not
Yeah,
yet?
I did.
All right, so we're going to head to the stove, and we're going to simmer this.
Okay, I'm going to cut the slices while you do that.
Okay. Okay, so we're going to put this on high heat. And when it comes to a boil, we're gonna turn it down to a simmer until the mango gets really soft. So it's gonna be about 3 minutes.
I noticed that in that pot there was lime juice.
How could you
Yeah,
notice that? You didn't notice that.
We
I
were
could
trying
see
to
it.
keep that a secret.
Oh.
We put the lime juice into the pot for simmering on accident in our distraction shenanigans.
accident.
And so what's gonna happen is the lime is probably gonna boil off. So we're just gonna add more at the appropriate time.
I mean, I watched you do it. It didn't look like it was an accident.
Well, whatever, Daryl. You are out of control.
You cannot use a snowman spatula.
Fox out.
Wait, I thought a snowman spatula was like a joke, like it's for your culinary application. It's really a spatula.
It smells like
Okay, so what does it say to do?
It says, let your mom help.
No, it says kick your mom out.
It says,
kick your mama.
cook until the mango is noticeably mushier, about 3 minutes. Scrape the contents of the saucepan into a blender. But I
think it's been mushy. I think it's mushier.
I don't know.
No, it's definitely mushy. How does that look? What do you think, Darren?
Looks like it's riddled with lime juice.
What's going to happen when we start drinking?
Okay, I think that's good. All right, so
Okay, fine.
we're gonna put this into this blender.
And we're going to add more lime juice.
Yeah, we're gonna add.
Why?
Because I screwed up.
Okay, so we're gonna add this into the blender. We're gonna add another tablespoon of lime.
The snowman spatula.
Your nails look fantastic, by the way.
Thank you. Did you notice that they say, if you carrot, lettuce, turnip, the beet?
Makes you start with the middle finger.
Yeah, you should have. All right, this is all that goes in here.
Yeah, then we gotta whiz it. It says
Whiz
whiz on high until you have a smooth puree.
We have a poor track record with blenders, so I'm gonna hold the top on.
That was the best outtake from any Jake and Joy episode.
The blade isn't catching. Okay.
Now, the woman that we got this recipe from, Laura Wright, who wrote the First Mess Cookbook, and it's really great. I was looking for seasonal cookbooks, and I ordered a whole bunch of them, and none of them have them divided into seasons. Or the ones that I said it was a vegetarian cookbook, and it's all full of not vegetarian stuff. That was the only one that was divided. Hers is beautiful, but she doesn't have them divided by the seasons,
Yeah.
and nor does she talk about the seasons.
Yeah.
I love her recipes, I love her photography, but that was really crazy. But what she says is that she makes this for brunch, and she makes the puree the night before, which really makes sense. And this would be really great with champagne.
Yeah, totally. The ginger didn't get caught by the blade. I'm gonna do it a little bit for a second longer.
I think her photography's okay.
I better hope she doesn't watch this.
There's like not enough. There we go. Okay, so then we take our glasses and we're gonna put.
Now this is enough for 8 servings, and we don't need enough for 8 servings, so we're just gonna do 3 servings.
We're gonna do a tablespoon.
I would use this fancy tablespoon if I were you.
You have a snowman
She's
tablespoon?
like got opinions about the freaking tablespoons.
Well, it'll just slide off of that one easier, don't you think?
I think that you just made up.
I
Okay, so tablespoon in there. Oh, and so it says you can strain it if you want to. If you don't want there to be chunks in it,
I like the idea
chunks.
of chunks. I would even put like a blueberry in it too.
Yeah, that could be kind of nice.
That would be really fun. Did we do
Making
a
one for Darren
recipe
here.
once? Darren, you want one?
Sure.
Give it to
Can I
your
put some
friend.
booze in mine?
Give it
Yeah.
to your, yeah, you can if you want. This is pretty cool. And then it says to garnish it with a lime, but do you need a lime? Yeah, it looks cute already. I would put blueberries in it myself. I like mangoes and blueberries together. But it says you're supposed to garnish it with a lime like that.
Surprised we have any lime left after you
I
know.
know.
Okay, there we go. It's too bad Charity's not here. She loves kombucha. I wonder if she'd like this.
She loves limes.
She loves those. Okay.
She'd think I was doing lime abuse. All right, cheers.
All right, here we go. Cheers.
Here's to season 10. Comment below if you make this recipe, let us know, share it with your friends, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel. See you next time.